Sarge. My bad, Sarge. My bad. My bad. Oh, I forgot to plug that in.
That video was incredible. You
Which
hear me,
video?
Uncle? Oh, you're missing out, baby.
Yeah. Fill me in.
No, the vlog. He did a vlog with a BP, but I'm telling you, when you
Oh,
guys,
I saw it. I saw it. I saw it. I saw
it
that
changed
video.
his life. He just doesn't remember.
I saw it. I saw it. I saw it on I saw a post. I was like, oh, that's what he did that thing with BP.
Yeah, so like when you guys sat down, and then you were just eating, just that stream of consciousness talk was like cleansing, man. It was beautiful.
I'm glad you enjoyed.
Like you were just getting into things, and then it was so good that BP like anointed you at one point by like flicking the straw. it was like a Catholic church. Like, have you seen those Catholic churches where the priest has like the weird he has like implement. It's not even a hand. It's like BB just hit it. It was like you're anointed. You're anointed of the thing of the Lord of the barbecue joint.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed. I'm actually looking at doing another video just from that dinner sec portion because I didn't put everything in from the dinner.
I could tell that was very rich, and I think that's wonderful. But I'll tell you what, it's like your golfing skills are impressive, sir. I was like that one putt. I was like, yeah.
Yeah, we had so much footage. I couldn't even put it all because it would have been like an hour and some change video if I did that.
Oh yeah, no, it was good. It was great because it was kind of like that slice of life stuff. Just legitimate people meeting. They're hanging out. They're just like having a good time, going out to eat, and then it was just how you caught that conversation was excellent.
Hey, we'll take it.
There's what I am going to be teaching you a class like about something because there's one thing in your cutting. If I show you this one simple skill, you're gonna love it. And it's just like clearing the audio.
Okay.
Through it, isolate audio track and then just doing a cross dissolve or dragging over. I'll show you.
Yeah.
I just need to get by sometime, and I'll give you that tip. It was awesome. It inspired me. I mean, it really inspired me.
We'll take it. Good morning, market makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. It's Tuesday, June 16th. Good morning, Niner, Rob, Sean. Good morning, everybody on the streams. Hopefully, you guys put some ink in your printers because today we're going to print, okay? I told myself I'm not being greedy because when I'm greedy, that's when I end up losing. Who would have thought, right? Who would have freaking thought? When you're greedy, that's when you lose. So, name of the game for today, being patient, waiting for that A++ setup, and executing. And once I lock it in, that's it. I ain't going back to the account. That's what I told myself last night. Once I lock it in, I'm not going back to the account that I lock profit in on. Why do I do that? Because until you lock it in, you have nothing. And everyone in here is trying to get payouts consistently, everything like that. And in order to do that, you have to lock it in.
Lock in the profit.
That's it. Lock it in. So we're going to do what we do best here this morning. And then we're going to go about our day thriving and living. I'm excited about that as well. I had a customer for one of my businesses offline pay early. I've been in business for almost a decade now. I've never had a customer pay early. I had a customer pay early. I like this.
Hey, here, like for all my buddies out here in YouTube land that stay so quiet, and the people on the stream, like when I used to have houses, when I owned some houses, I would have a discount if somebody paid the rent early. So if it was like due on the first X amount, you could get like a 5% discount to pay a week early. Because it would just like break that poverty-minded thing about and just like and you know what? Yeah, I took a little loss, but it was like everything started running tight, man. Because they didn't make that one thing that hit on the first.
Yep, because they want to make sure they were getting that discount.
And even if they didn't miss the discount, it was like that was an option. So if they were thinking about it like 5 days early, most of them hit on the first anyway. It was
Okay.
just good all around.
Hey, we'll take that. Whoever gets them to pay early, we'll gladly take.
Well, it just helps everybody. You know what I mean?
Right now, the VWAP, our VWAP on the 2-minute chart on the Nasdaq futures, sitting at 845.75. 845.75. The close from yesterday, 832. The 21 EMA is sitting like right above that close from yesterday, like barely. I'll probably say that's 832.75.
Yeah, it's like it's dawdling right by it.
Yeah, it's like right there. So we're gonna wait to see what we actually get today. I'm excited to see what we do get because we're gonna freaking print. Like, I just got that. I'm itching because we're gonna print so much today. We're gonna take our time, wait for those moves, and we're gonna be vibing. Let's see where we got some pivot points actually. We got a pivot all the way above us up there. 122.25. 122.25 is the pivot above us. Woo! We had to get in that 31,000 for that. Let's see. Pivot below us is all 656.75. 656.75. So we got a lot of ground to cover if we're going to be hitting those pivot points.
Okay, so I have a question for you. Since like there's no consistency, right? Since I'm funded.
Yep. Congrats.
For Lucid, and you did call, and it was just good to hear your voice. So I'm really excited. But I just want to make sure I do it right. So with Lucid, what counts as a day of trading? 150?
Yep, 150.
Okay, thank you.
With no consistency, so you could. If you're in trading, you're in the money, $3,000. You're not gonna mess up your consistency.
Yeah, you ride it, and then it just like then you just chill out, get the 150, and say, pay me.
Yep, that's it. But don't change how you've been trading. Keep doing what you did. Get funded.
Could I say something here?
Of course.
I trade with my money, in real life. I don't feel like any different.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that pride comes before a fall. So I did see the no consistency rule. So it should be easier now because I'm not trying to shut stuff down.
Yeah.
I was so nervous about that, or not nervous, but cautious about the,
you were
consistency. Well,
no, 100%. And now you don't have to think about it. So it's one less thing to think about. So now you can freaking print.
Oh, cool. And then we switch it to the smooth. Got 5, mixed it in with a groove.
Good morning, everybody. Make sure you're liking those streams, the horizontal and the vertical stream. The more you like the streams, the better the streams actually are, believe it or not. I don't know how that works, but YouTube pushes these streams to more and more people when you hit that like button. It's crazy.
I love it.
So click that like button. Help me help you today, okay? Because you want everybody printing. You don't want to just print just with us. You want other people printing as well. I'm getting my doodles on the chart. We got less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes for market open here. Less than 2 minutes here. And honestly, I have no bias for the day. I never have a bias. I come to the markets each and every day clear-headed and a clean slate. I don't care if the market goes up.
You have bias, and sometimes you just try not to, because sometimes it's gonna go. It's a good. We gotta watch the flag. We gotta watch the flag, and then guess what? You don't watch the flag, so you say, yeah.
Good morning, Noah.
As a general rule, you were right.
We try not having a bias, okay? I am human sometimes. But we try not having a bias so we don't miss a move. And that's real.
Here's the deal, though. I mean, I was not sure if you were a robot.
Not yet. Not yet.
Cyborg.
Give me like a couple more years. Who knows what's going to happen? I may become a robot. What's up, Aman? Good morning.
Good God.
All right, 20 seconds for market open here, boys. 20 freaking seconds. And this thing, that's looking like a bear flag there. But who am I? I'm just going to sit back and relax.
Okay, there's some fucking weird. Excuse me, I didn't mean to cuss online. Delete that, people.
Delete that, people.
Okay, I'm. This is just too funny. It's like, okay, hang on. I'm gonna send this to you. Like what they're putting in the ad underneath your thing.
Oh God. Is it like what's it called?
It just I don't know what it is. Like lately, it seems like somebody's. Anyway, I'm just gonna send it to you. It's fucking hilarious.
I gotta see this. Are they putting the Viagra stuff again on my streams?
Yeah, it's absolutely above. First of all, there's something called Bluetooth Gold, and I can't even open up my anything without like somebody saying, "Are you like clubbing and you need to get dubbing?" And I'm like, oh, it's like, no, I'm good, man. But anyway, this is something along those lines. It's just I've never seen this before, so I gotta send it to Duane. Duane is like my family. We've known each other for so long. Give me a second here. I'll have it for you. There you go, Duane.
You texted to me?
Yes.
All right. Let's see what they're putting on. What in the hell? That's hilarious.
I'm like, okay.
Hey, listen, when you're printing, you know what I'm saying? They know we about that action.
Oh, yeah. They're like, there's lining up. Buy the yoga pillow.
That's awesome. Let me see if I could share this. Well, for one of the things that you can, I don't know why. It's not going to focus because it's like, oh well. No. It's a chick. The pillow you didn't know you needed. And it's this chick bent over a pillow. There you go. That's the ad. Sorry, it's not focusing. But
yeah, all I was doing was
make sure you buy a pillow for your significant other.
Yeah, and I don't think she's gonna sleep like that, so we're gonna have to use our imagination.
That's hilarious.
That's just my God.
Market's open. We're just sitting here. We came down slightly, a slight pullback, we would say, but I want to see some good momentum today. And right now, there seems to be no momentum.
Well, it's saving the momentum for when you could trade because listen, you are such a good, honest person with your 15 minutes thing. And you know what's funny for me is just being, here since the beginning, listening to where you were at from you personally talking with BP to where you're at now. You know what I mean? It's like you've evolved. You know what I mean? It's like, and so that's like a testament to what you're doing. It's like you're not selling like a dead word. You're selling like trading scripture. You know, it's evolving. It's living.
Maybe I'll create the trading Bible.
Yeah, that's it. Because because a lot of people are just so, you're putting the humanity in it. And
no, one.
And you put the humanity into anything, and that's like, it's like you either need to evolve with that or you're gonna devolve with that.
Coming down to, all right, just tag that overnight low. There we go. Just tag that thing. One thing I gotta say, right? As a trader, your whole goal is to continue to grow and learn. That's not necessarily changing your strategy, but you want to grow as a person. Because in order to get the big payouts that you dream of getting, everything like that, you have to grow as an individual to achieve that. And for me, I've been trading now for a year and 10 months now. Completely different from when I first started. Completely different. but it's because I evolved over time here. And if you want the real results, like no fluff here or anything like that, if you want the real results, the payouts, the cars, the houses, the traveling, the freedom, you have to make sure each day you show up to the markets, you're showing up to grow, win or lose. Because I don't look at having a losing trading day. That's not what I tell myself. No, I had a learning day. I learned something new about myself for that day. So we never truly lose. We're always learning here. But if you keep that heartbeat that you're always learning, if you're in a bad trade or whatever, you look back at that trade and say, why did that happen? And then 9 times out of 10, it's because you possibly didn't do something part of your rules, or you didn't follow your discipline.
And when you were talking to BP, and he was saying, you know, because you kind of had this revelation together, which also really fed me seriously. He was saying, you know, it's like, you know, he's been kind of dialing back, so he's kind of like he's closing at break even. So, you know, something happened there, and then you were saying, you know, it's like that he might have adapted to the market at that time, you know, and then he hasn't evolved past that. So, like, when you can look at yourself, like, you know, when I was gone, I made sure not to sign in at all, and that was like hard, but it was like, so when I came back, I was completely like emotion free, like I haven't been in like months. Like, it's like, you know what, I have this awesome like skill I've been working on, you know, thanks to Legacy and like your support is a lot of that, but it's like I need to use that skill and not put anything on top of it, and not be concerned about, like you say, having a losing day. Like, I can't come back and have a losing day. It's like, no, I'm going to get back in the market. I'm going to face the market on the best terms I can. And I'm not going to carry emotion into it as much as I can. You know, people are emotional, and I'm going to remember, most importantly for me, it was like I took like an internal snapshot of how I felt at the time.
Yeah.
And I'm going to hold on to that, because it's like, that is the kind of thing that is like where I was at, where I saw, that was where I need to be. So, and whenever I'm kind of frustrated or whatever, I go back to that.
No, 100%. Like
get back and take it all back and say, in that moment, I breathed in, and it was like, and I saw it, and I wasn't even in front of a computer. I said, man, what am I even doing? Like, doubting myself, because how much time I have in this, how much I've invested, even past the time, this is going to work. And, you know, and the only way it's not going to work is if I'm putting extra things on myself, and I'm not doing that.
And the whole thing with trading too, this is a numbers game at the end of the day. So if you have a solid strategy that prints consistently, it's a numbers game. If your strategy prints for you 60, 70% of the time, right? We'll say 70% of the time your strategy works for yourself when you're following your strategy to the T. That means you're going to have 30% where you're having losing trades. But you have to get through those losing trades to get to that 70%.
And then just as importantly, I could say, is you also have to have the maturity that if you are having the losing trades, you accept okay, I shot my shot. You know, it's kind of like being at the range. You know, you want to shoot that bullseye, you know, and it's just like you miss, but you can't take that shot back. But, you know, it's like, so don't try to take that shot back. Just dial in and do it again. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's huge. Thank you, Duane.
No, got you. I want to see y'all win, because this is by far the best vehicle we can all use to secure that freedom that we all desire. Came back up to this close from yesterday, that 832 level.
He's like, that 3, what?
No, I was looking at the 30 when I started getting ready to say the 832.
I see 3 in the spirit. 33,300.
We got no news till 1 o'clock today, so we shouldn't really have anything happening unless somebody comes out tweeting something. But I'm just trying to get in and out as quick as possible today.
I another thing that I did is somebody put in the discussion, the community discussion. There was a like a YouTube clip, and it talked about how Google Chrome has auto-installed like some localized AI stuff that takes up some memory and some resources. And so, and it was on my machine, so like they snuck it in there. So it's
Yeah.
like that supposedly helped on latency. And
Okay.
I did take a trade earlier today. You know, it wasn't market wasn't open, but it was tight. So
Hey, we like that.
Just letting everybody know, it was pretty cool.
That's awesome.
Like at least so far, like it felt like good. We're gonna break out. Are we gonna have an 85 range?
Like, we need to do something here. You know what I'm saying? This is a real tight range today. Real tight range. So I'm like, ugh. Is today's going to be a chop day? Hopefully not. Hopefully today's not going to be a chop day. I still got 5 minutes.
Well, look, along the lines of what we were just saying, because what I'm saying is not window dressing. It's like if there's going to be a chop day, then I'll come back tomorrow, because it's like, you know, I'm not doing it. I'm not going to.
It's not worth it.
No, I mean, the thing is like, with all the fun and stuff, it's about one thing. It's about like owning and like taking.
If we get above that VWAP, which we just tapped right there, let's see. All right. So we are above the VWAP now. VWAP was sitting right at 836. Let's see if we can build a bull flag up here to take us higher. That's what I'd be wanting to see at this point. Get us out of this chop zone. We are not trying to trade the chop today, because when you trade chop, you normally get chopped. Well, at least I do. Who would have thought?
I'm not a fan of the chop.
So the low of today's range so far, 30,750.75. 30,750.75. That's the low for today's range right now.
And it's like the market makers like, hold my beer. Okay, send it south, baby.
I was very, ever since Sunday open for the Asian session, I was very bullish because we did that big gap up. So I'm like, that 31,000 looks like it wants to get hit. We were close to hitting that 31,000 during the overnight. It went to 975. So we may pump. I gotta see some good movement though. We need some good old movement. I want us to stay above this VWAP. Please, Betsy, stay above the VWAP. All right, back below the VWAP. Let's see if we use this area to take us high here. Let me move that line up over right there. I want to stay out this chop zone. We got to stay out this chop zone. There's no reason to trade chop. As soon as I say that, order filled. Like,
Order filled.
look at that wick on that 5 minute. Not liking that. Just tap that. We're through that 21 EMA. Back above it now. Hopefully this EMA holds us up here. Nope. Just lost that EMA. Well, who knows what's going to happen, boys? I'm not on the field yet. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm on the sidelines right now, spectating. But right now, there's none of this makes me want to trade. I will say that. Back above that 21 EMA there. If we get above that VWAP, I want to see some very strong momentum to the upside for me to want to jump in. Come on, Betsy. Come on now. Come on, girl. Good morning, everybody on the YouTube streams. Appreciate you guys tuning in right now. Very uneventful session so far. Very choppy, moving sideways slightly, so it's consolidating. What's up, Boulay? Good evening to you, sir. So we're just taking our time and waiting. If you're on the YouTube streams, make sure you're hitting that like button on the horizontal and the vertical stream. Yes, we stream 3 different formats, the horizontal, the vertical, and we're streaming live with the market makers as well in the Legacy Wealth Society. So we do it all here. Getting back above that VWAP range is completed as well. That 750.75 did stand. The high of this range, 860.50. 860.50 is the high of today's range. Good morning, BP.
Dr. BP.
Let's get through my yellow line with some momentum. I would jump in. But we got to get through it with momentum.
Yeah, momentum, please.
Tapped it. I need follow through though. And we did pop out that 15-minute range high as well. So we'll consider this a possible retest for the range. We didn't have the momentum. That's why I did not jump in.
Yeah, it's doing like real.
Is this the Asian session? Like Jesus.
It feels like 2 o'clock or something when you're on, you know? Come on, Betsy.
Come on, girl.
One minute on the 5-minute.
Thank you.
And the 2-minute. So everything's gonna close together.
I'll close that trade. 580 there. I feel like we're going to go up, hit my target, which is actually at yesterday's high, 915.25. But I'll lock that profit in right there and rotate. Not risking it for the biscuit.
Not risking for the biscuit.
First trade of the day, 580 on it. Can't be mad at that. Right back down to this 15-minute range high. What's up, Brett? Good morning, sir. Not a lot of momentum, I will say.
But you know what? You're gonna read it because you're feeling it already. It's like you're going out and you're dancing to a slower song.
I don't do slow dances.
You tell your wife that when you're married.
Is this going to give us our bull flag? I'll wait for us to get through that yellow line once again with follow through for me to jump back in here. Hey, let's go, Rob. Good job, bro. Give us the catapult. Using my entry as resistance there. Gotta love that.
We're 7.5 minutes out on 10 o'clock.
I killed that right at the 1,000. Getting this pullback here, so I'm like not saying that.
Yeah, I went in and I closed when I was green. It wasn't really going anywhere, but it was just I felt like I'm gonna wait until there's something better.
I feel that one. We got 7 minutes. 7 minutes for 10 o'clock here. No news at 10 today. No news at 10 today. Just looking at that 5-minute chart with those two wicks on top of those candles, not liking that. And of course I didn't get filled. Well, now I'm filled.
Oh, by the way, my pivots are back today.
Hey, let's go. We'll take that.
Yeah, sometimes it's a small thing.
clean that up a little bit there. If I would wait, I would clean it completely up.
I just was waiting for it to clear those wigs. I mean, I may even be overly cautious, but I want to see a new neighborhood.
Yeah, we just we just cleared those wicks out.
Yeah, that's why I was just waiting till then. I'd like to see another flag above
That would be very good right now.
because I'm seeing the stars of consolidation. Let's go up, and I don't want that. I'd rather have more fun than that.
We are slightly consolidating right above this high of this 15-minute range. Let's see if we get a little flaggy flag, something. Give us something, market. Close that one. Right back down to that 21 EMA and that VWAP. The 21 EMA 841, VWAP real close to it 838.75. Bulls having issues popping this thing up. So we may start to roll over now. Right at that 832, which was the close from yesterday. Let me give me another doodle here. We got that buying pressure on that 5-minute candle. Let me look at some of the higher time frames, believe it or not. Yeah, you heard that correct. Sorry to hear that, Niner. You were trying to go long, bro? Right now, just be careful. This thing's chopping, it's consolidating. We got less than a minute for a new candle to print. Yes. Simple way to get through that, right? How bad do you want to pay out? How bad do you want to pay out? Because if you want to pay out, remember, less is more. Take your time. There's no rush. Because once you're in the funded account, it's on your pace. What type of fill was that? That was scary. I'll just close that because that fill was wild. All right, we just tapped the middle of that 15-minute range. Somewhere where we don't diddle. We don't diddle in the middle, but let's see if we build us a little bear flag. Move this line down. Hey, let's go. Yes, congrats. Okay, you just submitted for another payout. So, question. even though you blew some funded, you're getting a payout. As long as you're green, you're set. Yeah, we get through this middle of this 15-minute range. I'll be looking for another short here.
Yeah, there's something that we don't do in the middle. Fiddle, whittle, smiddle.
We don't diddle.
Ah,
We
damn.
don't diddle in the middle, boys and gals in here. Because when we're trading in the middle of the 15-minute range, right, it likes to chop sometimes there. So why knowingly trade areas that are normally choppy? That's bad for business.
Ain't that right?
Just when you see we get this bear flag. I feel like it wants to, but we gotta be careful. Oh, BP's proud of all you guys. BP, we're proud of you, bro.
BP. Is BP coming on here?
No clue on that. He had a late night last night. He's relaxing today.
Oh, listen, that BP. I had a lot of late nights I show up on here. Hey, jive turkey.
Not the jive turkeys. That's crazy. Yeah, sit back and relax, Rob. No reason to trade if you're already green for the day. Let's break through my yellow line with some good follow through. I'm gonna jump in there like swimwear. You know what I'm saying?
My goodness.
Let me actually move that line down just a tad. I moved that down just an extra tad there.
I think I'm gonna need one of those pillows for this next trade. It's gonna be on.
Yeah, that's so wild. That's what they're selling on these streams.
And like, I just always like to bring up the context of that. Like, for example, like when my kids were younger, we had hermit crabs. So I was searching on YouTube for hermit crabs, and then the ad that comes on is like Red Lobster, all you could eat crab. It's like, yeah, we're searching hermit crab, or it's like I'm on a trading site. You know, it's like when you have something to do with trading, but I guess in a way it is trading, giving back and forth.
Okay, that was a horrible fill once again.
That's the whole number right there. That's what I'm waiting on.
I wasn't even paying attention to that whole number.
Sorry, I should have called it out.
I'm up 971.
Hey, let's go, Moose.
Hey.
All right, let me go make a yogurt.
Not the yogurt.
Yeah, because if I don't get up around this time, it starts like to consolidate, start acting funny. So I'm gonna start trying to jump in and be greedy. Let me just chill.
Alexa, make yogurt.
Hey, I be hooking up my yogurts. Wait, fuck. No, shut up. I mean, Alexa's quiet.
Hey, what's up, BP?
Yeah, have you heard my laughter? All the laughter. What's up?
What's up, man?
Hey, there he is. That BB. Hey, I really appreciate that guy. Like, you know, that video dropped from when you guys were at, like, golf, which was that's something else entirely. I tried to unwatch that because I don't want to learn anything from that from you guys. But but when you were eating, just like the talks you guys were having about back and forth on trading, that was like awesome.
Yeah, well, I'm glad that you guys were able to watch that interaction, just because me and Duane both agreed that I thought that dinner that we talked about a lot of stuff that had a lot of value.
Well, I mean, and you know what was so valuable about it? It wasn't like we're gonna talk about this. It was just stream of consciousness, and the way it hit was awesome. I mean, I felt like it's kind of it's sometimes that's the best conversation to have where you're not like sitting there trying to be topical about it, but it was like it just there was a lot of revelation in there for me. So like I sincerely appreciate it for both of you.
Well, I'm glad that by watching that video, you were able to have, like, be able to broaden your horizon a little bit.
Well, yeah, and it's just perspective, like seeing, you know, where everybody's at, and then because it just there's a realness to it. You're not hypothetical on it, and it's just like we're solving problems, we're banging accounts, we're tearing it up.
Yeah, for sure.
And Duane said there's actually more of that that's going to be coming out too.
Yeah.
I guess there was one thing where you sang a song and did an interpretive dance, and that's going to be interesting.
I don't think that's in that video. I don't think that was in that one. Yeah, I killed that. Not liking how we're bouncing right here in the middle of this 15-minute range.
Wait, let's go back and do a little post-mortem about what you just said.
I don't need to, Steve. I already know. I had a bad fill on that. I had a bad fill.
The bad fill started with your finger, sucker. You had a middle of the 15-minute range. You had a whole number. You had so much against you, you might as well have been asleep.
Popping above that VWAP.
Oh, he was not even answering me. He did that LL Cool J where he licked his lip a little bit. It's like, oh God, I'm in trouble. I'm sorry.
I'm in trouble. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. That barbecue joint looked really good.
It was good. They just kept running out of everything.
It was funny. I was blind to things, and Duane was deaf to things. Like, I was just being oblivious to things in front of me, and he was just being oblivious to people that were talking to him.
I'm a huh?
And I'm still confused about the Flintstones car miniature golf because, like, EP had the whole extravaganza. Like, he was sitting shotgun at one point. I wasn't sure what was going on.
Yeah, I was.
No, it was really good. So thank you sincerely for posting that.
No, of course.
No, I mean it was like entertaining. It was comedic, and then there was like a lesson in it. So it's like it's like the whole enchilada.
That's a good analogy.
The whole enchilada.
And then when VP is like, you were talking about how there's tornadoes there because of Corpus, and you saw Duane just like, oh.
Well, I'm used to my hurricanes. That's it.
Yeah, I actually had said that wrong. I meant to say it's we get tornadoes because it's Texas, and we get hurricanes because we're close to Corpus. That's what I was trying to say, but I said it too fast in the moment.
Well, there's a lesson in that with trading. Like we can't trade like VP talks about Corpus. Back in a second.
Hey Siri, add granola to my shopping list.
The life of a trader. Syria, go ahead. Granola for the shopping list, please. I need that crunch with my yogurt.
You know, that's really it. I can't eat something without a crunch, like I feel like I'm biting.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Theory: add granola to my tuna salad.
No, no, ew. That's hilarious. That would be hilarious.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill this.
So, BP, like
Wait
on
for
my
this to
chart.
drop. I'm waiting for this to drop back down.
Yeah.
I was thinking about taking that long on ES. It did look really good, but I just decided I was just gonna wait and see what would happen, which it actually would have hit TP. What were you gonna say though, Steve? My bad, I kind of cut you off. What were you saying
No,
about your
it's
chart?
okay. Moose was talking about his granola, and everybody has to show mad respect at that point.
True.
You don't want to get involved in something that like that on a whim. No, I basically bracketed the high and the low with like a line. It's just like this thing is so tight. It's just like I'm not seeing any SMT that's like worthwhile in Q.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Wayne must be in the trade. He's real quiet.
Yeah, I'm sitting in it. I got my finger on the button to close.
Are you gonna buy or sell?
I was in it long. Expecting a push here, but if we don't get the push, I'm just gonna kill it.
He's
I'm waiting for us
like
to get on those VWAP.
right now, he's like the whitest guy you know on the dance floor with a funky overbite. He's like
With the overbite, that's crazy.
like he's on the dance floor trying to keep to the beat. 1 and a 2.
Yeah, I'm real focused. I'm real focused on staying on beat here. This is looking like a bull flag. I want to see that full push. Nope. This thing's just playing with me right now.
I forgot to check news. Do we have FOFC today?
Tomorrow
That's true.
with a new Fed, so
Oh yeah,
that should be interesting. Yeah, this thing's dancing way too much.
Hey BP, I have a question for you. Like,
What's going on?
Since I updated the Dow, it keeps doing this thing where it shows like a mega candle. So like if I switch to the Dow right now, it'll have like a range candle, like 300 points or something.
Let me go look. That sounds funny.
Steve's having issues. Yeah, that sounds funny.
I'm glad that you're enjoying it, but it's kind of. What I'll do, I'm gonna send it to you, BP. Hang on.
Yeah, what time frame is it on?
All of them. Oh wait.
All of them.
Like if this is for real, I just set a filter and I go buy a house. Okay, so let me show you.
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
Yeah, that's funny. Well, you got out?
Huh?
Did you get out?
Yeah, I did.
Ooh, looks like we're trying to take out this.
Oh no, come back down. I was supposed to get out at $85, and I got out at 50. Negative 50.
Negativo, boy. Hey, do you see that, BP?
Hold on. I'm trying to.
Oh yeah, don't. If you're doing a trade, don't worry about it.
Today's a blah one for me. I'm up in some accounts. I'm down in 2 evals,
Oh no.
but I'm up in the funded, so we'll take that. But
Well, okay. Do me a favor. Look at the opening range and look at where the 5-minute candle are. We're just dawdling along. If that's not Chop City, what is Chop City?
yeah, Thank you, Steve. We're sitting right in the middle of this 15-minute range. Somewhere where I say not to trade, I'm trading it. Make it make sense.
Sometimes it makes sense because you're showing practically what you can do, but what you couldn't do.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Let's get away from this middle of this 15-minute range.
Like you never want to hear from somebody that says, yo, like, don't eat sweets unless you can gobble like half a cake too, because otherwise they're being self-righteous. But Duane can eat the sweets, but he can also step back.
Yo, Steve, that's your ninja trader, dog. That is not what my chart looked like.
Uh-oh.
Come on,
But
motherfucker.
just on ES, man. So like, what in the world?
Yeah, that's that glitched retirement candle.
I mean, I'd be like, BP, like, what part of Texas do you want to live? Because I just bought half the state.
I'm so mad. I got out of $45 and went down to 130. God damn it. I'm up 1041 though. I'm mad at it. We're gonna fill the wick on the 1 hour all the way down to 30.77.50.
Quick 230 right there.
That was actually pretty clean.
See it, BP?
What's up, Gus?
You said something about an hourly candle?
Yeah, look at the hour candle. The last one. We're gonna there's a wick all the way down to 37.50. We're gonna touch that. You see it?
Chop City today. Let's see if I can clean this account up real quick.
You're talking about NQ, right?
Yeah, and you. Sorry.
Okay, and then it's what was the full number for that level you were saying?
We're gonna come down. We're gonna fill in the wick. Come down to 37.50.
Give us a bear flag, something.
You see it? This is gonna be like a 1 minute retrace and shoot back down.
Oh, okay. I see what you're talking about now. Okay, I was on the 1 hour chart, man. I was looking at the hard time.
What the hell?
And then you said the 1 minute. I was like, oh.
All right,
You're
so 1
talking
minute,
about the
1 hour.
wick, but I see what you mean now. Yeah, we filled up the 1 hour wick at that time at that level.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for this retrace right here, and I'll shoot it back down.
Should have taken that short.
Well, 2 minutes of the hole. Fuck. I ain't mad at it though. Come on, bring it up. No, don't fail yet. Oh man, hold on.
We should start picking up some speed here. Just clean this account up. Quick little scalps. Today I got money. What do you recommend me to try? Go with Tradeify or Lucid. I should have held. Now I had to wait for the retrace back to the 15 before we expand lower. My first target to the low side here would be 696.
Duane would like to see a flag.
There's the retest. There's the retest right there, the 15. Let's see if we get a little bear flag.
Oh shit, she really got me.
I'd like to have one of those flags print.
Oh my god, yo, this is bullshit. I closed at 225. I got $30.
Gotta love the slippage.
This is bullshit. Hey, I think we're gonna go down to 656.
Okay, I don't know how that just happened to me too. I closed at 310, got $50.
What? Seriously?
Yo, that shit is crazy.
We're gonna go down tab 696, the target. Getting ready to get to that whole number. That's 700. I'm not even gonna try jumping it at this point because, yeah.
I need a retrace.
Gus, go with Tradeify. Use code LWS. That gets you 40% off. So it should be about $100. Or go with Lucid. Use code Vault. That's their code, not mine. That gets it to like 80, $90 as well.
Hey Steve, do you see my picture?
So let me see.
Oh my god, yo, this is gonna hit. Now you're gonna retrace.
Yeah, we're gonna hit that 696 that I called.
Yes, you should have.
We're gonna swipe it quick too.
Yeah, dope. I was thinking that the bullish one was gonna hold.
There we go. Just tagged it.
Yeah.
Waited.
We got pivot point 657. 657 for the pivot. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade this account again. No reason to at this point.
We are gonna fucking.
Oh, I gotta clean that 150K account out. Yeah, all right, clean that up a little bit.
It's alright. It is what it is. I already made money.
I'm gonna clean up this
I'm on
Tradeify 150K eval. Let's see if we get a little bear flag here.
Good shit, Moose.
Thank you.
Awesome move.
I'm gonna just chill, I guess. You know, 'cause I don't. It's too. This is too far down to jump in. I feel like if we catch a retrace, I'm done for.
Wait for the bear flag, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, that's gonna be a V bottom.
Yeah, man.
I'm waiting to see if we get this bear flag here. And if we do with momentum, I'm gonna take that short, targeting the pivot 657.
I want to see, according to my EMA, I want it to at least come up to 755.
755.
Yeah, 755. I have an EMA right there. So if it comes up, we touch it. I'll probably take a sell from there to come back down. Where we coming?
It's so crazy. My kids are leaving for 2 weeks. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna sit in the house peacefully, like, oh wow, no one's yelling, daddy, mommy, nothing.
Be like, you'll just be chilling. He'll be like, "Where's Duane? He's floating in the pool." What was he doing that yesterday? Well, he never got out.
Oh, I don't have bananas. I'll have to stop at the store on the way.
What is it?
I need a banana. Or no, I'll just do a little peanut butter today. You're gonna miss them 5 minutes after they leave? No. Brenda will, but 5 minutes after, no.
But when they go to college, man, that's when you miss them.
Yeah.
Hell no. My son is going to the military. I'm like, little ninja, leave.
All right, so we just tagged the low of that 15-minute range. I want to see us possibly reject here to start this next candle for the flag.
My oldest son asked me, "Hey, Dad, you gonna miss me when I go to the military?" I said, "For what? I know what you look like."
That's hilarious.
I'm good. Listen, I want him to go. He needs to go. He's a good boy, though. But he needs to come home with a career.
So just cleaned up 400 right there. Cleaned up some more.
Damn, yo. Didn't even touch my thing. Oh, no.
Cleaned up more. Coming down to my yellow line here. Now I'm just holding and waiting, holding and waiting. I want to get through that yellow line with momentum and take another short here. So I clean this.
Sorry.
No, go ahead. What was that?
We just consolidated 3 candles. I'm thinking we probably can flip a little bit. That's what I'm assuming.
Okay.
Because
Yeah, I want to get below that 696 level. That was that first target. I want us to get below my bottom yellow line right here so I can take a short. But happy with what I cleaned up in this account. I was down 1,400, cleaned it back to only 545. So
nice. The reason I think we're gonna start flipping is because my 9 EMA is very close to my candles right now. I usually like the little scoop tells me we usually go back up or change direction. I'll just wait.
yeah, I want to see this momentum here. We got to get through my yellow line. That's what I'm waiting for right now. Because we got that pivot point below us. That's what I want to target here. We got a little bit of wicks down here, but we pushed to that yellow line that I know we should be pretty good.
Everything is closing in 20 seconds, Duane.
20 seconds. Thank you. Good call out, Steve.
What did he say?
20 seconds.
Until what?
Everything's closing in 20 seconds.
Candle closes.
5 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. Everything's closing right now.
Oh, I did get filled. Let me close that. That's trash.
Don't do that too. Don't do that. Oh, we down.
There we go. We tagged that pivot. I'm green on this account. Pulled it back from the redness. From the redness.
Recovery factor 100.
There we go. Got my second target here. My second target's getting ready to get hit. 641. 641 is my second target. 646. Are they lined up? Oh, they're 10 points off. That's not good. So the pivot on Ninja Trader. I put money in today, Brett. Well, actually, I put money in another take profit account. Yesterday, your boy got greedy. I blew that one. I was ready to pass. Don't judge me, Brett. Please. Brett, I feel the judgment already. Yes. I was less than, I forget how much away from passing it. And your boy got greedy. It happened. So we're coming down. We got yesterday's low, 604. 604 for yesterday's low. Are we going to possibly start trying to fill that gap that we created on Sunday? That'd be pretty wild. Like, I want to jump in, but I'm like, I don't either. Yes, the TPT accounts, you gotta trade for 5 days to pass the eval. So annoy that waste of 4 freaking days or 5 days. All right, let's see if we get another flag here. Yeah, I may just call it a day on this because I put money in all the accounts I was trying to trade. Is there no minimum profit. You just got to trade for 5 days for the eval. But once you're in the funded for TPT, once you get over $2,100, that's your buffer. You can take daily payouts on everything above. So my goal still stands. I'm trying to pass 1 or 2 TPT accounts by the end of this month. And for the rest of July, I will base hit it and then take 1 massive payout at the end of the month. All right, we lost that 600. Oh, Nellies.
I took a trade. I closed for 250 and I got 220. So that was
Hey, not as bad slippage like we've been having. Congrats. I closed at 310, got $50.
I was like, I'm literally just gonna bet on the next candle being red. I'm just gonna hope. I was like,
Oh, so you gambled?
Yeah, I kind of gambled a little bit, but I saw the bearish momentum, so I was like, I feel like I have a 78% chance that this next candle's gonna be red, so we'll just go with it. I had a feeling your flag was coming, so I was like, I'm gonna get out.
I feel like this could be us trying to build another flag below this pivot. My trainer texted me this morning.
What do you say?
Let's see. Let me see if it's.
Say that and not say it. Like if I'm.
I messed something up yesterday, and I need to add the account back on the control panel. So I gotta help him put it back when I go in the gym a day. Let's see if we can get a nice bear flag here. If we do, you know, we may take it. If not, I may not even take it. I may be done trading for the day. There's no reason for me to be greedy. That's been my issue yesterday. Even on Friday, that was my thing, right? I was down in one of my fundeds. I pulled it back to only being down like $500. And then I full ported pretty much mentally. Oh, I gotta get that $500 back. Where if I would have just took the $500 loss, it would have been way better than taking the $3,800 loss on it. You know what I'm saying? So it has to be an A++ set for me to jump back in here. If not, it is what it is. I won't take any more trades for the day. Looking like a little bear flag here, possibly, but gotta see the structure play out first.
And there's no possibly in that. That is a bear flag, you monster. Oh no, he's starting to dance. Let's get him back onto trading.
I gotta dance so I don't trade.
Yeah. I think we're
So
going
went up to that pivot on Ninja Trader.
I think we're going up.
Well, we gotta go up before we come down if it's a bear flag.
Absolutely. We need a top wick on the 15th. There's no top wick.
Oh yeah, she's showing like she wants to do a little bear, but we're gonna see what we get. Let's see. Because we have not got any bull flags, so that's why I'm still bearish. Yeah, just waiting. Just wait. I'm actually going to stop trading myself for the day. I put money in fundeds. I put money in evals. We put money in everything. So
This flag is calling your name. It's the Duane flag.
nope. We just got through the pivot on TradingView as well. The pivots are 10 points from each other between Ninja and TradingView. Maybe we build a bull flag here. I want a bull flag in this area right here to take us up. If we're trying to go back up here. Yo, I'm going to be recording so many videos during the next 2 weeks since the kids are gone. It's the summer, so they ain't going to be crashing and banging through the house when I'm recorded. Because I'm going to record probably 6 to 7 videos and I'll edit them. So that way I can start having weekly videos going out to you guys. Educational, and then we'll be doing the vlogs when in Portugal. So yeah, we gonna be doing that.
When are the dates of Portugal?
I'll be gone July. I think we're flying out early too. Let me pull up my calendar here. Bear with me.
Uh-oh.
So we should be flying out. There's July on the 18th, and we'll be coming back around the 8th. So flying out on the 18th, coming back around the 8th. And I'm going to be in the sauna and the hot tub for the hangouts while in Portugal. Excited for that. Yeah, this is looking like it wants to give us a bear flag. Possibly. We get through that pivot. We do have buying pressure, so just tag that first target, that 696 level, push through there.
That's a whole number right now.
We didn't really get the bull flag there because the candle ended up turning back to green.
And we're up 1938.
Hey, let's go, Moose. What type of account are you trading?
Funded.
Hey, let's go.
I'm gonna build this bitch up to at least like 4 or 5, and then I'll take a payout.
Yes, sir. Love it. Love that.
This is my 3rd day trading, so I got 2 more days, and I can build it up to 25 and then pull out. But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna wait a little longer.
Is that with Tradeify, Apex, Lucid? Who's that with?
Tradeify.
Okay.
I just made 700 right now on one of the moves.
Let's freaking go. Moose about to get a payout. Ooh. It's simple, folks. This thing is simple when you work on your psychology.
I would want, for more bullish, I would want to see the 1026 candle get taken. If not, this
1026?
might, yeah, the 1026 candle. For more bullish, I'd need that to come get like taken.
Yeah, we're coming up there though, right, brother?
They were throwing up a little bit more.
This is right now, ES came and took out that candle, so we kind of need to see that recorrelate.
Welcome for everybody on the YouTube streams. Welcome to this morning's trading session. We do this thing every morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, trading the Nasdaq futures with you guys. And hey, if you're trading prop firms, live accounts, it don't matter. These streams you come to, you will get so freaking dialed where you will take payouts. It's almost guaranteed at this point. You get on these streams, you're going to get funded. Not because of how good I am, but just because of the community we have for the Legacy Wealth Society. Everyone prints together.
It could be partially how good you are. I mean,
Yeah, I'm trying to be humble, Steve. Jesus.
nice try.
Be your own freaking people. Hey, if you're enjoying the morning stream, definitely come back tonight, 9:30 p.m. for the Traders Hangout. We do these hangouts every night of the week, giving you guys a place to come talk trading, talk life, and everything in between, so you can ask questions to get real answers to help you level up in the markets so you can secure your financial freedom. I'm excited you guys are here. Don't forget to hit that like button. Click. Turn those notifications on so you're notified every time we go live. We go live a lot. I may be taking this weekend off from streaming. Just saying. Because we got no kids. You know what I'm saying? We're going to go do something. Who knows? Who knows?
Well, I'm sure that if you don't have the kids, you'll do some like shorts or something to put them in, so you'll have content every day.
No, of course, of course.
He's like, that's a good idea. I'll take that.
I'll just repost the San Antonio vlog.
Wait, that looks vaguely familiar. I loved how BP was like I said, he like you said the thing and then he like anointed you with the water. It was like very Catholic.
Yeah, I was like, is it raining in here? What's going on? Is this going to be our bear flag? Oof. I don't know.
Let's see where he put his doodle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, they're here for the first time. You can see a lot like how Duane's outlook by where he puts his doodle. So let's analyze it right now.
This may be our roll. We get below the pivot point, I'm going to take a short.
I tried to get in, I didn't get filled. My entry was supposed to be at 687.
And is your pivot at 646, Dwayne?
The Ninja Trade one is, yes.
Okay.
Buyer stepped in real quick there.
Buyers want to push it back where BP might have an entry again.
Yeah, maybe. If they didn't get enough orders, it'll come retest. If they got enough orders, it's just gonna go.
Yeah, this is looking like this could be one big old bear flag.
Yeah, I'm gonna cancel just because that is we already hit where I was gonna partial.
All right, right at that pivot on Ninja Trader. Right at that pivot on Ninja Trader.
And then below it on Camarillo pivot, there's support 3 at 632.90, Dwayne, just so you know.
Thank you.
It's not necessarily expecting it today, but it's just something to keep an eye on.
Come on, 11 o'clock. Hurry up and get here so I can get off these charts.
No.
We lose this pivot. It should start flowing pretty quick. Okay. Buyer stepped in real hard right there. Yeah, I need a stand. I need a freaking stand. Let's go higher, boys. Let's freaking go higher. We're trying to lose this pivot, but we need more momentum. Because buyers keep
all morning as well. I couldn't sit down this morning.
Hey, what's up, Mitchell?
Oh, what's up, everybody?
The man, the myth, the legend, boys.
He can't talk and stand at the same time. He was here, he just couldn't tell it.
Yeah, I've been here for a minute. I was in the middle of a trade, so I was trying to be locked in. 700 so far on the day, coming back from the drawdown a little bit, so we in the green.
W, man.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
How's everybody been?
Been good, bro. Another day in paradise.
Doing pretty good.
Good. Moose, how about you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Good.
He was in a trade.
My bad. No, I'm not actually. I'm like looking, see if it's gonna go up. And I was answering the client. My bad.
Nah, you chill, bro. Steve, how you been?
Oh, I'm good, man.
Good to hear.
Just keeping at it, having a good time all the time. You know me.
What's up?
Give me my flushy flush.
G, what about you? Probably in the middle of something.
Yeah, he's probably in the middle of I brought that one.
What? That's crazy. That slippage is wild. Whatever.
Are
Whatever.
you in long or short?
I took it short and I went and closed and I lost $30. Unacceptable.
$30.
I thank you guys.
$30.
What's going over here? This is
Yeah,
not
I'm hands off. I'm gonna lock it in. Like, no, thank you. No freaking thank you. The devil's a liar today.
My full target was 591, but we'll see.
Oh, are you in, BP?
No, I didn't get the fill. I canceled because we came and took out where my partial was, and I still hadn't got my entry yet. So I was like, we're already 50% into the move, so I'm just gonna cancel.
Yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, I feel like this wants to, but we gotta get below those previous candles there. It's playing hard to get. It's chopping right now. Yeah, I ain't trying to get caught either, bro. This looks like one big ol' on that 5-minute bear flag with structure. We're just building structure.
You still feel like it could definitely be a bull flag?
Bear flag, bear flag.
Bear flag?
I do, but we're bouncing too much right now.
Yeah, my thing is saying to wait. So we gotta.
I think it's
Shorts are
gonna
a
go
little,
up.
shorts are a little reckless, and longs have no confirmation.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go up.
We get through 586.75, it's gonna waterfall like we haven't seen today. We get through 586.25, that thing's gonna waterfall.
The reason I think it's gonna go up is because we're coming off an EMA on 643 on the 4 hour, and the current 50 doesn't have a top wick.
I mean, if the session low of 591 that breaks, I mean, you're looking at the 500s.
Yeah.
We're gonna see what we get. I got 9 minutes. I got 9 minutes to put my hands behind my back and not touch these charts so I don't give no money back.
You better reset that clock.
Reset that clock.
I'm waiting for this video to export. Finish the documentary for my clients. It takes like an hour and 30 minutes for this video to export.
So that's why I put in these
Like
accounts
render?
today.
Yeah, it's rendering.
Nothing too
Are you
crazy,
using, like,
but
Adobe
decent.
Media?
I used DaVinci Resolve, so this is the final process of it exporting to the final video, so I can send it off to him for review.
Mhm.
But yeah, this is just like the usual process of it. Once everything's said and done, you just click export, it renders through, make sure everything's copacetic, and next thing you know, it's in your folder ready to send to your client and get paid.
Nice.
Where did I make $8? That's weird. Not touching that.
$8.
I made $8 on one of my accounts.
Right.
Hey, it's better than
Zero.
$7.
I think there's a possible like higher time frame bullish SMT that's forming down here, and like the lower time frames causing it to chop. But if this SMT is actually a valid one, then ES is going to be stronger for longs.
Yeah, so I filmed the wedding last Saturday. That Saturday, yeah. For a family friend of mine, we go back to first grade, all the way through high school. She's the godmother to my godson, right? And beautiful venue. Oh my gosh, great venue area. But it was like a mini reunion. Had about some elementary teachers there that I haven't seen in years. That was pretty dope. Kindergarten, first grade, second grade teacher is the bride's mom, so I see her quite often. And then my fifth grade teacher, haven't seen her since I graduated in the sixth grade. And she looks the same, no different. I was like, wow, it was so good to see everybody. But recent highlight in life.
My bad. I was listening, but I took another short.
I saw it.
My finger was making sure my battery didn't die on my mouse.
Oh, right.
That's all that was. But you saw it was a big class reunion type deal.
Basically, yeah. A couple friends from high school were there as well too. A couple of the girls I haven't seen in a hot minute since graduation, which was like 8 years ago.
Okay. Yeah, it's always cool seeing certain people you went to school with.
Yeah. And my class was really close too, so like nobody had any problems with anybody, so that's kind of nice too. It's like anytime we all see each other, it's like we just saw each other yesterday.
Yeah, that's cool. That's like me and one of my buddies. Like we don't talk all the time, but when we do, it's like we've been talking forever.
Right.
Like me and BP have never had beef. You know what I mean? We've always been cool.
I feel like this is gonna be our flag. I'll be waiting for that break on that 5 minute. We get through that yellow line on the 5, that would be a massive short.
I feel like it's about to hit that 591.
We got through my yellow line, but I ain't touching it because I'm good for the day on this account.
But you gotta let it get away from that whole number there.
That too, good call up. Man, me and these whole numbers lately, I've been overlooking them too much.
Didn't we used to say that those whole numbers are a spot to get chopped?
Yeah.
He knows, he just likes to throw caution to the wind.
All right, I got 4 more minutes, Duane. You got this. Less than 4 minutes and you're getting off this call so you don't trade anymore. Well, I'm itching to get off the stream so I don't trade.
Yeah, that's a new way to be. Looking forward to being done with trading.
Listen,
Awesome.
I've been dealing with greed the past 2 sessions. So it's like, I gotta get away so I don't try being greedy.
Word. I think I'll move my laundry up, actually.
Maybe tonight's hangout may be slightly different. I'm gonna see if Brendan wants to slide out to the beach tonight for dinner.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
we'll
I
do
did
it.
not catch that. Your
Are the
music was
kids
too
leaving
loud.
Today?
Huh?
Are the kids leaving today?
Yeah, they're leaving today with their mom.
Oh, so yeah, you get out to the beach, man. Get to one of those fellows, go out to the beach.
Yo, that's still crazy. That's because of whatever you're searching on your phone, though.
No, I'm not searching shit on my phone like that.
That's why that showed up on yours, Steve. You dirty mother.
Like sex pillows.
Pause. What did I just walk back in on? What's going on here?
No, because whatever Steve was searching on his phone,
No, I wasn't.
he's gonna say it wasn't, but it don't let him fool you.
You got some explaining to do there, brother.
It gave him a sex pillow to buy from a shop
Yeah,
for the ad on today's stream for him.
I was searching Duane Broom and that came up, so that's what's the scariest part.
Hey, yo, what?
Oh, this is such a short right here. Oh, I want to take it, but I'm no.
Come on, if it breaks through,
There's 591. I'm officially peeved, but I'm not that peeved.
A who pillow? Not a who pillow. It was a yoga pillow that YouTube was trying to sell Steve.
Hey, snagged a quick 130, but Slippage only gave me $75. What the frick?
And this is going to be the waterfall I was talking about.
I'm good. I got out, in and out, and it was clean.
Hey, let's go.
I'm happy.
Yeah, this should be our waterfall here. I'm not going to chase it. Not chasing it. We hit our third target, which was 586. Our fourth target here will be 531.50. I'm actually thinking, you guys let me know. I was thinking about doing a video explaining the orb that I'm using on my trading view chart to call out these targets. If that's something you guys want me to do, let me know in the chat, because I'll definitely record that video explaining it, how I use it.
Why not? That'd be dope.
Hey, can you turn down the music? BP can't hear you.
Yeah, I can turn down the music for
I've been
BP.
here this morning. Come on now.
Well, all of a sudden, like the music, the guy's going for an encore.
Well, I'll get that video recorded this week. That video should be released on Sunday or Monday of next week, because I'm gonna start stacking videos, because when I go to Portugal, I want to make sure I have enough educational videos. But I also, when we're out there, we're gonna be doing all the streaming and everything like that. And it's just gonna be a good old time. So hopefully you guys are around when I'm gonna be ahead in time. I'll be in the future when I'm streaming with you guys. So yeah, even when we're doing the morning stream, it will be 2:20 p.m. their time.
And if you're in the future, let us know where the market's going.
I wish it was that simple, bro. Because I'll be on the phone with other, hey, so what's the market doing? Okay, all right, cool. Buy now? Okay, cool.
Right? Long for the next hour, say less.
I go to Portugal next month for 3 weeks. And my brother's excited. My brother's so excited that I'm going to Portugal because he's going to house sit.
Oh, I was like wondering why he's excited. Wade's leaving the country. Yahoo!
No, he's excited. He's going to be house sitting.
He'll be doing like a stream from your pool. He'll be like, "I'll pop up on the field." Like, I know that place. Wait a second, I know those lights and that.
Yeah.
I recognize that background.
I told him, don't be doing nothing in my bed. There's a guest room for a reason. For guests.
We up 8:35 now, boys.
Hey, let's go, Mitch. Well, Legacy fam, do you guys want to stay on the call, or were you guys getting off?
No, I'm personally getting off because I hit all my targets. And
we're good.
I should probably get out before I blow another account, so.
Yep. Well, the market makers are leaving. I'm leaving. Kenneth, you came too late, bro. We're all leaving. I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. Legacy family on YouTube. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully you printed with us. Market makers, enjoy the rest of your freaking day, boys. Good job printing.
Likewise.
Remember, reload that printer for tomorrow.
All right. See you later.
You guys.
Later
Out,
on.
everybody.
All right, everybody. Have a good day. Deuces.